Hi, I'm Azine Davudzadeh, Azine, like magazine without the mag, and I'm excited to be coming to South by Southwest with this exciting session that's going to help you build positive change in your communities. I've had almost nearly 2 decades of experience in education and taught everything from kindergarten to high school and been an assistant principal. And now I'm at the Contra Costa County Office of Education and I lead CTE teachers and instructional technology across the county. I've been excited about education, but really my passion reignited around 8 years ago when I founded the group XR EDU. I wanted to bridge the gap between XR technology and education because I knew how important having new cutting edge technology would be and the power and presence of that technology. Now, with that said, I learned about design thinking, design principles, and various problem solving strategies.
Hi, my name is Kwaku, as in magazine without the mag or zine. And I've been in education for at this point almost 25 years, and I recently started my own consulting firm, Retrofuturism Consulting, where I get to work with schools and nonprofits to do amazing work similar to what we're going to do in this session. Also similar to a zine, we're basically twins. People mistake us for each other all the time. I have taught everything from kindergarten to high school, to some college level courses. And the thing that I've really noticed is the strength and the joy that comes from empowering students, teachers, and families to do things that they didn't even know they were capable of, or things that were possible. And a lot of that stems from working on issues or challenges that they see in their communities every day. And this is what we want to work on with all of you, because we are getting to blend amazing things: community change, design, education, emerging tech, and most importantly, impact on communities locally, which leads to impact on communities globally. Azine, can you talk about what people are going to leave this session with?
Absolutely. So, one thing you can expect from this session is it's extremely hands on. It's not a sit and get. You're going to come, you're going to get your hands dirty, you're going to have conversations. You're going to identify problems in your communities, which there's no shortage of problems, as we all know. But the best part to me, and sort of piggybacking on what you said, is the process is what's really amazing. The process and going through it, not the product. Even though we are solving problems and that's our end goal, it's really about the process of how you get there and the confidence you build, the skills of just talking to one another, building those connections. And of course, you're going to be involved in a design challenge. So you're going to get to actually go through the process yourself. We're going to model for you, and then you're doing it yourself. And you get to take away practical tools. We're going to be giving you templates and resources, and you take everything together and replicate that in your own respective communities. And hopefully, you're as excited about this as we are.
More excited, more
We're
excited.
excited. Hope to see you there.
Looking forward to it. Austin, 2025. Let's do this.